Yo, man, something gotta give, bro. It just has to. Shit is fucking annoying and it's disrespectful. Man, we getting killed every day. Fuck this celebrity shit. Fuck the jury. Fuck me being on stage. Fuck me trying to, get y'all to buy albums. I don't give a fuck about that shit. Us as a people, fuck just a black people. Fuck just a community. I'm talking about a whole, man. Everybody. This shit needs to stop, bro. Motherfuckers want to take gun laws away and talking about guns. Y'all killing us. Y'all the motherfuckers killing us. If you ask for proper ID or whatever the fuck it is, if we show y'all whatever the fuck niggas ain't, come on, man. My nigga, I'm getting pissed off about this shit. Regardless of however the fuck you view me or anybody else, us as a people need to start coming together and making our voice heard. We don't gotta be violent or irate or fucking belligerent. We can be real, articulate humans and really get this shit together, my nigga. This shit is fucking horrible and it needs to fucking stop. I hate making these videos because I hate to be the one acting like I'm preaching all the time. But for this time, I'm just asking all of the celebrities, man, all these people with actual voices, when you want somebody to buy your fucking album, when you hear a mixtape, do this, do that, get on stage and do whatever the fuck you do, shake your ass, show your stomach, take whatever the fuck you gonna do. How about we speak up right now and help people? Can we help? Can our voices actually mean something? Please.